which is a rarity here at Fifth Third Field. The 1-0 is going to be lined right over to third, and Hao-Yu Lee reaches down and gloves that. Culpepper hit it hard, but right to Hao-Yu Lee, and that's our first out of the ball game.
He has a great swing on this, barreled it up, and Hao-Yu Lee didn't have any choice but to catch it, or it would have hit him right in the kneecap. That'll keep you awake real quick. That's why they...
As you look at the rest of the lineup, Hao-Yu Lee, the third baseman, bats second. The shortstop, Gage Workman, will bat third. Ben Malgeri, the left fielder, in the cleanup spot. Max Anderson, the second baseman, bats fifth. Batting sixth, Trey Cruz, the right fielder. Eduardo Valencia bats seventh. The catcher, Jace Young, the first baseman, bats eighth. And the DH is Corey Joltz. He's batting ninth. And he's the number 9 hitter. Pitch on the outside corner, a strike to Hao-Yu Lee. Even the count there, 1 ball, 1 strike. Hao-Yu Lee. Line shot going to left. That's going to get down, a base hit. Clark will have to hold as Mendez gets to it. So Clark with a walk, then Lee, sharp single to left. And it's first and second, nobody out of this Hens offense that was crushing the baseball last week in Iowa. Looks like it's ready to go again.
Picked up right where it left off. Let's keep it going. And you got a guy here, Gage Workman.
And he's going to line this one high in the air. This is deep to right field, and it's gone! Gage Workman muscles a shot out to center field. And the Mud Hens put 3 on the board here in the bottom half of inning 1.
Well, that's the way I said I wanted to see him jump out fast tonight. I think that qualifies right there. 3 batters in.
This could be a tie game in a hurry. See what Lockhart does with him. First pitch swinging. It's a slow roller. And grabbing it is Lee. His throw not in time. Culpepper with good speed. He beats it. Not hit hard at all. Little chopper. Yeah, but it's a base hit.
Hao-Yu Lee did everything he could right here. They weren't going to get him at third or second. It's a bang-bang play, but it was the correct call at first base.
So after the fly out to left, Schobel, that sharp single, walk, now another single.
Graham, sorry. We have one of our doctors. She does a lot of amazing things. She does wet rehab, dry rehab. She has laser rehab as well as acupuncture that we do. We also offer CT scans. We're the only animal hospital in Northwest Ohio that offers CT scans. So if something are, for the most part, kind of like a one-stop shop for everything that your normal general practice doesn't offer.
Well, Owen, thank you for the time. I would say enjoy your night, but that's going to be easy.
Exactly, yeah. We're having a pretty...
Hang out with all the pups tonight. 1-1 to Hao-Yu Lee. A ground ball on the left side of the infield. Grabbed by the third baseman, Ross. He'll fire over in time, 5-3. After Clark struck out, there's 2 down for Gage Workman, who homered his first time up. And since that homer, 8 consecutive set down by Ryan Gallagher.
Yeah, he's been very good after the first 3 batters of the game.
1-1 is grounded over to third. Backhand up is Lee. He's got it. Hao-Yu Lee with a nice throw across the diamond. 5-3, received well by Jace Young. And there's 2 down and a couple of ground ball outs for Scott Effross. Yeah, that guy Justin Verlander, you heard of him?
I've heard of him. So, Matt, someone's taking a little snooze during the game tonight.
I'm going to tell you. Must be listening to us, I guess. 7-2 our ball game, because it's not the ball game.
No,
that's for sure.
It's got to be us.
As Gallagher is out there again, there is that action. Pitches facing Hao-Yu Lee. And Hao-Yu Lee drives a towering pop-up. This is in play. Calling for it and taking single back in the first inning. Ground out, pop out after. And he's going to take low from Bash. That's why they have 8 on the board. Pitch outside. That offense,
yeah,
that was so prevalent, was still 7-5. Swing and a foul back to the screen. That also 2-1 pitch. Hit high in the air, foul down the right field line. The 2-2. Checked his swing, and we'll see what that does. As the pitch will be low for Nick Sandlin. As he delivers, ground ball over to third. Nice backhand stop by Lee. He'll fire over in time. 5-3. What a job by Hao-Yu Lee on that one.
Yeah, I thought that was going to get down the line, Matt. Hao-Yu Lee jumped on it, gloved it, set himself, and made a great throw. That arm of Hao-Yu Lee is no joke. That's a major league arm.
Sandlin ready. And he gets the ground ball over to third. It goes off of the glove of Lee into left field. And Culpepper will cruise his way into second. That'll be an E5 error on Hao-Yu Lee.
Yeah, he just didn't get down far enough on it. Thought it was going to come up, and it didn't.
I'll bring up Kyler Fedko as the inning continues. As he'll face Hao-Yu Lee. We'll take. And a drive high in the air, towering fly ball to center. Checking that is Fedko. He'll make the grab. And that's all for the Mud Hens. They send 8 to the. Casey Mize through a rehab start tonight in Lakeland. Drive over to third. Nice backhand stop and a throw over in time. As that'll do it for the ball game. Usako throws out a 1-2-3 inning with a couple of fly ball outs. And then a ground out to end it. And